Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the updated steps on how to change your notification settings in Google Chrome. Whether you want to manage notifications from specific websites or turn them off entirely, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the menu icon. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section titled Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Click on it, and then find Site Settings in the main panel. This is where you can manage permissions for different websites. Scroll down until you see the Notifications option and click on it. Here, you'll find several options to customize your notification preferences. You can choose to allow sites to ask for permission to send notifications or block them entirely. If you prefer a quieter browsing experience, there's also an option for quieter messaging, which reduces interruptions from notifications. Feel free to make your changes according to your preferences. If you want to allow notifications from specific sites, simply add them to the allowed list by clicking on the Add button and entering the website address. Once you've made all your changes, simply close the Settings tab. Your new notification preferences are now set. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you take control of your notifications in Google Chrome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.